Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to another craft. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So what we're making is DIY sidewalk chalk. So what you're going to want to begin with is 3/4 cup of water into a quart Ziploc bag. And after that, you're going to want to squirt some tempera paint. I went ahead and used purple. Then after you squirt the paint in, you're going to want to mix it all around so the water changes color. And it should look something like this. And once you've done that, the next step for you is to add 1 cup of plaster of Paris. And once again, you're going to want to mix it all around. And try and get all the air out of the Ziploc bag. And then you just move the bag around and you want to mix all the plaster of Paris with the water and the tempera paint. After that, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to cut a corner of the Ziploc bag so you can go ahead and pour your mixture into a small container. So you can carefully squeeze the tip so you can carefully pour out the mixture into your container. And if you do it neatly, you should be able to get a cool, nice little chalk stick. So this is how mine came out. It came out pretty even. And then from there, the next step for you is to go ahead and let it out and let it dry in the sun. I let it dry for about 2 hours. Then after 2 hours, I was able to pull it out and I have my own chalk. So pretty neat. And then feel free to test it on the sidewalk. Catch you guys later.